Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastasia. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you haven't done so as well. Today's video is super exciting because I mentioned to you guys that I was kind of doing like an entire place makeover where I'm making over my whole space, and I got a ton of new awesome furniture and decor pieces that I thought I would share with you guys in today's video. Super just awesome finds that I absolutely love. So as always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm super excited about this. If you guys saw my more recent videos, I actually talked about this mirror a couple of videos back and finally got my hands on it. It is absolutely beautiful. So definitely check out this site that I'm showing here. They have so many awesome mirrors. Like, their mirror selection is insane. Like, if you're looking for like irregular or very unique looking mirrors, this needs to be your go-to. So this one in particular is called the Vincent Modern and Rustic Beveled Full Length Mirror. It actually measures 65 inches by 22 inches, which is like the perfect size, but the quality of this is insane. Had a super short delivery time as well, and the best part was it was packaged so nicely. Usually I can get a little worried sometimes when I order mirrors, but this one was packaged perfectly and it came beautifully. It has like no deformations or anything. It is absolutely beautiful. So if you are in the market for this, I know a lot of you guys saw it when I mentioned it in my last video and you wanted to get it. So I'll have it linked down below because the quality will not disappoint. And again, if this one isn't your style, definitely check out their site because they had so many different beautiful mirrors. Like, I couldn't even decide which one I wanted. That's how perfect they all were. So if you need a new mirror, definitely check them out. Also available in this really pretty like weathered white color. So if this darker brown doesn't really match in with your decor, they have that option as well. They're seriously both so beautiful, but it's great that they have two options for different colors to choose from. All right, and then moving on, this particular piece has been on my wish list for so long. I've wanted it forever. So finally, Lulu in Georgia had a sale, and that's when I decided to snag it. I love the shape of this chair. I'm super into the boucle fabric because the reason I love it so much is it adds a little bit of texture. However, it allows you to have white furniture pieces that are super easy to clean. I don't know what it is about this fabric. Like, you can spill absolutely anything on it and you can get it dirty, like from like dirt, and it comes out quite easily, as opposed to having something that's like a white linen where the stain kind of seeps into the fabric. So definitely check this out if you're in the market for something like this. I also love the wood tone on it because I'm like mixing different wood tones. You guys will see when you see the full reveal of my living room, which should be coming out shortly. I know a lot of you guys want to see it, so I'm just going to kind of reveal it all at once to you guys, but this is one of the pieces that I have for that, and I've just been super excited about it. It's also such a unique shape to this chair. Like, there isn't much like it, so that's another reason why I was like, I'll opt for this and not like something else, because I just feel like you cannot beat how unique this actual chair looks and is. So that is kind of like what had drawn me to it in the beginning. I do believe they also offer this in another color as well. So if this particular wood like isn't your style, I do know there is one other color as well. So it's just a really good like statement piece to add to your living room, and I really love it. All right, next up is my coffee table, and I kind of moved it out of the way so you guys couldn't see the full look of my living room because I really want to share that all at once with you guys. I want it to be like a surprise, but this is the coffee table that I chose. Now, I went through so many different coffee tables that I wanted. However, I strongly recommend a glass coffee table if you actually like have company and have guests, because it's the easiest to clean, it's the easiest to maintain, and it's gonna last a long time. There's a lot of super trendy coffee tables on the market right now, and to be completely honest, if someone ever puts a drink on them without a coaster, they are completely ruined, and they're also super expensive. So I opted for glass, and I've been opting for glass a lot more recently just because, again, it's just super easy to clean, and if you are going to make that investment in a really nice piece, you want to make sure that it's going to last a long time. And moving on to the dining area, this is another space in my home. I'm not sure if you guys want to see. If you guys want to see a dining room like reveal, let me know in the comments down below, because this space is pretty much done. So I ended up getting these chairs. I feel like they pair perfectly with the concrete stone table that I've had forever. Believe it or not, I didn't have dining chairs for like a good few months because I opted to use the last ones, which were indoor outdoors. So I finally settled on these. Again, the boucle fabric allows me to have that white furniture and not have to worry about spills and dirt and like transfer from pants and stuff. Again, these stains on these pretty much come out so easily. They're actually so comfortable. That's one thing that I was worried about. I was like, okay, I finally have decided that I want these specific chairs. Are they going to be comfortable? They are seriously so comfy. I am so excited. And they couldn't pair like any better with the white concrete table. Unfortunately, the table is too heavy for me to have any type of rug under it. It would ruin a rug just because of its weight. So I think I'm gonna leave the dining area, and it's just so much easier to clean in my opinion without the rug. So dining area is not gonna have a rug in this particular space. And then I did opt to get a new console as well, just because my last one was on the lighter side, and I felt like since I did the white table and the white chairs, I needed something to like darken it up and kind of tie everything together. I didn't want it to be like too neutral tone and too like bright white. That wasn't really the look that I was going for. So I opted for this console table, mainly because the marble top is like what sold me, to be completely honest. Like once I saw that the top was like a really nice slab of marble, and as you guys can see here, it is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't have any marble pieces in my home. If you guys have followed me for a while, I usually have something in my home that's like marble, some sort of like marble furniture, and I didn't for the longest. So opted to get this. So far I've been loving it because it has a lot of like really nice storage to it. And then above that is my artwork. Now, just being honest, I haven't hung it on the wall yet just because I love this, but I'm not sure if it's going to live here permanently. Like there's so many spaces in my home that I could put this art piece, and I love how beautiful and large it is, and I love the texturing on it, that I'm not sure if I want to put it here or opt to put my irregular round mirror, because that irregular round mirror is just sitting in storage from when I moved, and I really want to find a new home for it. So this is just a beautiful piece. I highly recommend it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it here or put it above my bed in my bedroom. That's another room that I'm working on. If you guys want to see a bedroom tour and a reveal, let me know about that in the comments down below as well, because my bedroom is pretty much almost finished at the moment. But I love this piece. It is actually a numbered piece, so if you like it, I believe there's only like 267 of them made. Definitely go ahead and get this. So this is another new addition to my outdoor area. Now that it's gotten a little bit cooler, I, to be completely honest, really want a fire pit table. They are just so expensive. So I've been trying to see if I can find one at a good deal or one that's on sale. Definitely on my top list of things to check out for like in terms of Black Friday sales, because I need it. But in the meantime, I really love this coffee table. I've always wanted it for my inside area, but as I mentioned before, sometimes pieces like this are just very delicate, and I would say that this is a more delicate piece. Again, definitely a piece that always needs coasters. I don't think this would do well if it got spilled on too much. So it is an indoor outdoor table, so I'm sure you could clean it, but since it is such a bright white coffee table, I was a little nervous to make this my actual coffee table in my home. Also, it is so heavy and such good quality, which is good, but I don't like heavy pieces like this in my home that I can't like easily move around, because you guys know I like to switch things up a lot. But it is beautiful outside. I do love it. And then I went ahead and got these Pottery Barn nightstands. And what's so funny is I specifically pushed this into the corner so you guys couldn't see the rest of my bedroom, because I didn't want to reveal it quite yet, because it's not quite done. But I'm obsessed with this. Again, a really just great, beautiful, timeless piece. I love the fact that it has the opening, but it has the drawer at the bottom, so you're getting storage and just like a beautiful quality nightstand. These come in black, brown, and then this lighter washed wood. Again, I just opted for the washed wood because I felt like the longevity of the whitewashed wood was gonna go great. If I switch up my room, if I move, this is probably gonna work in several different places. So that's why I opted for the color, and it's absolutely beautiful. The grain and texturing on it is phenomenal. I would highly recommend it. It is
just amazing, and I'm so happy that I finally got my hands on it. They were actually on sale when I bought them, so not sure if they're still on sale, but if they are, definitely snag them. I think they're 100% worth the money.
All right, guys, that was everything I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!